Okay, Grand Rising and happy Friday. How is everyone doing on this beautiful Friday? So I am pouring me some champagne. Yes, pouring me some champagne. I'm celebrating. What am I celebrating? My success in life. My success in life. If you don't celebrate you, who will? Yes, y'all. I have my seafood boil. I got this from Boial Crab China Taste here in Florida. Very good. Okay. And these champagne glasses, I got them while I was stationed in Ansbach, Germany. Yes, I'm a disabled veteran, served in the Army. Yes. So how is everyone doing? So you all may hear something in the background. That's the new series called Loot. It's on Apple TV. And yes, this is one of my silk bonnets I purchased off of Amazon. Y'all know I had to pull my hair back out of the way so it won't be all in the crab. Coco want to taste some and give her some potato. You smell that seasoning, she gonna run. I have the mild seasoning. This platter comes with 3 claws, but it's good. Some potatoes and corn. And I also got a side of ribs. Yeah. So, this is good. I didn't go to the gym today. I didn't go to the gym. Me and Coco, we just went to the doggy park. We left a little bit after 8. Stayed a bit, about an hour. Then we went to Target, got a few things for the household. And if y'all go back and y'all watch my previous video, I talked about I ordered my first I made my first purchase on Shein. So I ordered 7 pieces. So I'm excited. Can't wait to do the unboxing. I don't need no utensils. My teeth are the utensils, y'all. I'm a Florida girl. They did real good. They had some very good seafood. They call them boiled crab China taste here in Florida. Y'all see my nails short so I could dig in. The signature mild sauce is very good. I also ordered a few things off of Amazon, so I'll be doing that unboxing. And this satin cap, I got it also in gold off of Amazon. I don't know, sir, what y'all think? Do y'all think Shein is gonna run Amazon out of business? What y'all think? Because Shein don't just sell. What you do? Shein don't just sell fashions. They sell electronics too. I saw this very cute little tripod. It's pink that I was gonna get. I'm gonna get. Costs a little or nothing. It's real cute, girly girl, like me. More than $20. They're there. Yeah. Now, she'll eat salmon. She will. Y'all know you can't have seafood without your soda. So the iPhone 14 is going to be coming out in September. I have really been itching to upgrade, so I'm going to get the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this series I'm watching on Apple is about this billionaire couple. They divorced, They didn't have no prenup, so the wife got all the money. Well, not all of it, but she got the same amount as he. Can y'all? Okay. If you wake up and have $1 billion in your bank account, what would you do? I'll go shopping. And the truth is, you're gonna wake up and $1 billion gonna be in there. That's scripture. Yeah, because everything belongs to us. Mm-hmm. Those Gentiles have had their fun with our wealth, with our lifestyle. They was only going to enjoy it while we was on punishment. We're not on punishment no more. Punishment ended August 2019. So at any moment, the chariot is coming. We're leaving Babylon. This is Babylon, people. We're going home to Zion. And all of that gold in Africa is ours. That and then some. They're going to have to figure out a way to get it to Zion, which is Jerusalem. I like the blue crab, but I like the snow crab better because the snow crab have more meat. Yep. I haven't had a blue crab in a long time. I don't think I will get any blue crabs because it'll be a waste. Oh. Now, little seafood. I have some salmon, stuffed salmon, Tuesday? I think it was Tuesday. With some asparagus. So Bill Cosby has been what, Is he going back to prison? He got to do 30 years? What in the world? Mm-hmm. I don't know. I wasn't there, so you know, we can speak on anything when we wasn't there. If anything, I blame with the R. Kelly situation. I blame him and the children's parents. I wanted to be in the industry when I was a kid. I remember I wanted to be like Diana Ross. Sure did. I used to call Hollywood all the time looking for her. I did. I had all her album covers all over my wall. Yeah. But those BET Awards, I haven't watched that stuff in years. Have I ever watched it? I've watched the Grammys. But the last time I watched that was when Whitney Houston was around and Michael Jackson. That was back in the 90s. Other than that, that was it. Hey, Coco. Coco. So this with the ribs came up to like 35. It wasn't bad at all. It's cheap. Actually. And y'all know what? Gold is gonna be so much darn cheaper now. Since Africa got all that gold. Gold will be cheap as hell. So real. The only reason that things be so cheap, so expensive is because it's rare. This place was open earlier than I thought, because I thought they wasn't going to open until like 12. But they opened at 11. God's peace. How are y'all enjoying this hot summer? It's going to get hotter and hotter. I heard we're going to need 3 damn air conditioners. All I would say is prepare your body, drink lots of water. The only time you like corn. Read it. Come over here, baby. I'll give you some real. That was a nice little platter. That was enough. Yeah. I think I could just eat the seasoned corn and potatoes by itself. So, thank y'all for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping videos. Y'all enjoy y'all Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.